Would you pay $150 million for this painting? I'm Frederick Balfour, and I cover the art market for Bloomberg News in Hong Kong. Sotheby's has just unveiled this nude by Amedeo Modigliani. It goes on sale next month in New York with an auction estimate of $150 million. It could sell for even more. Last year, Da Vinci's painting of Christ was valued at $100 million, but it ended up selling for a record $450 million. That's good news for Irish billionaire horse breeder John McNear. He's selling the Modigliani. He paid a mere $27 million for the painting in 2003. Sotheby's unveiling of the nude here in Hong Kong underscores the importance of buyers in Asia. The region is minting billionaires faster than anywhere else. One of them is a former Chinese taxi driver. He paid $170 million for this Modigliani in 2015. I'm Frederick Balfour. You can follow me at Frederick Balfour and get the latest at TikTok.